Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. So as you may know, YouTube is blowing up right now with short form content. In fact, one of my shorts got over 1,000 views in the first 9 hours. Next level hack that I've used on my channel to get massive views going viral with my shorts is to make sure that each short is optimized. A lot of people don't even think about that. We're making videos for individuals. They have to be optimized with SEO, optimized for search, optimized for view time, optimized for keyword research. Right now, the algorithm is searching for different individuals, watching their watch history, seeing what they're watching, and if our shorts are optimized, it gives the algorithm and it gives the computer system a better chance of finding who's the best fit for our content. It's almost impossible for the YouTube system to know who to put your content in front of without optimization. So I always make sure that I have a description in there. I make sure that the title is lining up with an audience, something that people are interested in. Make sure that your shorts are optimized, therefore a certain audience that will get you the massive views you deserve. A lot of you watching this right now, you may not have decided if this thing is for you or not. I want to share this video with you right here, my 5 top reasons to be a content creator right here on YouTube. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next, so check that out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, becoming a part of the family. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.